Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Porsche Cayenne, third generation, years from 2002 to 2010, and you're guys trying to find the fuse for your oxygen sensors, stay with us and we'll show you where it's located. Now we have two fuses. One for upstream oxygen sensors, one for downstream. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. It doesn't matter if you have the V6 or V8 engine, the video will be helpful for both. Now, all the electrical videos, will be on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. The mechanical videos will be on our two channels that we have, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Please check them out. Now, we're going to go ahead, open the hood now, and we'll show you guys, where those fuses are located. Now, right here you have a cover. This cover needs to come out. How we do that? We unscrew right here, pull it up. Perfect. Now, right here guys, you have another cover with the fuse layout. But in order to remove this cover, you have 1, 2, 3 screws that we need to remove. Watch how we turn them, like that. Now pull it up, get it out. Now, the fuses guys that we're looking at. Now, fuse number 17 guys, fuse number 17, it's this fuse right here. This is for the upstream oxygen sensors, for both sensor bank 1 and bank 2. Number 18 guys, number 18 here, is for the downstreams. And why is that? Because the downstream usually doesn't have a heater. So that's why guys, it's a 7.5 amp, and this fuse is 15 amp. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.